And if we look at the weekly chart for the cable, this is our chart that we have marked. As you can see that this is our structure point, that's why we have it, which is the 157.06. This has been such an important structural point for us. We have been trading this number. The guys that are with us have known that we have been trading the 157.06 now for the last couple of years, from this time last year, which is September, October of last year. And you can see it. And right now we are back sitting at we closed the week at 156.29. We traded a little bit higher than the 157.06. We put a high of 157.28, and then we closed back about 100 pips off the high. This is not a very encouraging sign for the pound. And since we have, this is the pound dollar, since we have a buy signal on the dollar, that would indicate the probability that the pound itself might move down. So you might see a very interesting situation next week in the pound, in the market. You might see that the pound selling off against the dollar, and it is rallying against the yen or rallying against the Swiss. Again, because they are the two weak currencies. So let's see if we have a good entry signal for the pound dollar on the daily chart or the intraday chart. Okay, our structure short we have here is the 155.33, and we have the 157.06 as a structural long. So this gives us a little bit of clarity. Let's go here. We can buy the dollar above 156.51, the pound. We can buy the pound above 156.51. is not a bad entry point. But we have to be careful. We want to make sure that, so if we are going to buy it above 156.51, I'm going to, you see this is 3 pips away. I'm just going to use a stop, very tight stop in this case, 156. I'm going to use the market side of 156.40. I'm just going to give it 15 pips in this case, because if it goes above the 156.50, I want it to fly and go to the structure point of 157.60, 157.06. So my structure long is 157.06, and I will go short. Let's see where we're going to go short here. I'll go short below 155.37. This is the only short area that is clear, the 155.37. That will be my short entry. And if I go short below 155.40, 37, I can put my stop above 155.86. Okay. Okay, I'm going to change, I'm going to correct this. I'm going to put my sell 155.30, so it's 3 ticks below the structure long, so there is no confusion. And I'm going to buy, well, let's put it here on the radar screen so that you can see. So for the pound, we're going to buy above 156.51. My structure long, sorry guys, that's my structure long. Alright, so I'm going to buy tomorrow if it gets above 156.51. My structure long is 157.06, and if I go long, then I'm going to place my stop. This is the 155. That's how I transpose these two numbers. It's a little bit okay. Let's do it again. So I'm going to go long above 156. Sorry, let's go through the chart again. I'm going to go long above 156.51, and if I go long, I'm going to put my stop below the market side, like I told you. So this is going to be 156.40. Let's make sure that this is what I have. Well, my long stop is 156.30 because of the structure point. And if I'm going to go short below 155.86, I'm going to place my stop above the 156.48. I have confused the hell out of you guys. So the short stop is 155.86. The structure short is 152.48. If somebody caught me in a mistake, write it down because it's just okay. So 156.51 we're going to go long. Our structure long is 157.06. Our long stop is 156.30. And if we are going to go short below 155.30, I'm going to place my stop above the 155.86. So my short stop is 56 pips or so. My structure long is the 157.06. I will double check it, Mark. Let's see. Yeah, you're absolutely correct. The short is 155.36. It's just that when I got confused. Yeah, the short is 150. Yeah, it's right there, 155. So it's correct. Just put a 0. Alright? Okay, that is the pound dollar.